If you are looking for an AI voice agent that could reach out to your prospects, warm them up, qualify them, transfer them, and book appointments directly onto your calendar, then this is going to be a video that I think is going to be extremely insightful for you. Because what we're going to be doing is showing you exactly how we could build AI voice agents. I'm actually getting a call. Give me a sec.
Hey, am I speaking with Will?
Yes, you are.
Hey, Will, this is Tessa from Botly, the platform that makes AI voice agents like myself. I'm just touching back to see if AI voice is still something you're interested in for your business.
Yeah, matter of fact, it is. I've been thinking about it a lot lately.
Awesome. In that case, can I schedule a call with one of our representatives to walk you through our platform?
Yeah, matter of fact, that'd be great.
Great. What date would you like an appointment for?
Can we do tomorrow?
Checking your calendar. Just a moment, please. For tomorrow, February 2nd, I have openings at 11:15 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 1:15 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's do 12:30 if we could.
Just to confirm, you want to book the appointment for February 2nd at 12:30 p.m.?
Yeah, that works perfectly with me.
Okay, let me put that on the schedule. Just a moment, please. Great, you are all set. We are looking forward to meet you.
Perfect. Boom. Just like that. I wrapped up the call. And if you look here on my calendar, I got something booked with myself, but books directly on my calendar. I can now have AI voice agents go reach out to my prospects autonomously, engage with them, ask them questions, and book directly on my calendar. The way that we do this is super simple. We're going to come inside of Thoughtly. We're going to build a new agent. Building an agent is super simple inside of Thoughtly. All you got to do is connect some nodes as if you're writing out a script, and the agent will take it from there. This is a guideline as to how the agent should act and perform inside a conversation. In the example that you just heard, we basically just give an introduction. We give a series of outcomes as to what the caller might say or act. And if they ask something completely different, the agent would be able to answer those questions and remain in a professional manner, have a conversation with them before bringing them back on script here. Keep in mind that these nodes are not verbatim. It's not said word for word. It's very flexible in the way that it speaks to have a dynamic conversation. But here is where we booked an appointment. So basically, we got the desired date from the caller. We checked the availability on cal.com. You could also use things like Calendly, GoHighLevel's calendar. I know Zoho has a calendar as well. Let's see what else we got here. We got Zoom as well. Creating meetings is super simple. But let's say you look inside the mid-call actions here and don't see something that you're looking for. You can actually just send a webhook, which is basically an API call. So you could directly communicate with your booking software in order to make this possible. Either way, we do a mid-call action that checks our calendar. We get the responses and send it back in a prompt, giving them options to choose from. Then we give them the times that we have available. Ask if there's any availability that they would like to choose from. Then we go ahead and book the appointment. Let's say there was an error while booking an appointment. We actually have deterministic outcomes that allow us to troubleshoot that. So it's like, hey, sorry, looks like there's something went wrong. Would you mind if I got you transferred to a human? We could do that automatically. But chances are it's going to work perfectly fine as it did there, and book the appointment as planned. Once it books the appointment, it hangs up, but we can continue to have conversations. We could send them text messages in the middle of the conversation. We could submit them as a contact. We can do a bunch of different actions directly here inside of the middle of the call. Now, this agent is for an AI SDR, which is reaching out to old leads that have previously shown interest, but perhaps you want to use it for an inbound receptionist. Maybe you want to use it for when a form gets submitted and you want to qualify these prospects. Maybe you want to use it as an agent that reaches out to reschedule prospects that didn't show up to a meeting. Or we've seen a lot of people use it for after webinars, reaching out to people, getting them to book an appointment, make sure nobody falls through the cracks. But with that being said, there are hundreds of use cases to choose from. If you are interested in this use case in particular that reaches out to prospects and gets them booked into an appointment, I got a couple of things that you could do to receive this exact agent. First things first, below this video is a link. This allows you to open up a Thoughtly account and get this directly inputted inside your account. You'll just have a quick chat with our team. We'll discuss getting you started on the platform and getting this template inside your account so you could try it out as soon as today. Second thing is going to be a bunch of resources on how you can completely autonomize your business with AI voice agents. I've put a bunch of video resources underneath this video. You can go check that out to make sure that you have every single voice agent you can inside your business. Either way, I wanted to keep this video short and show you exactly how you could book appointments directly inside your calendar. So feel free to click the links below, check it out what it is we do, how you could implement AI voice agents for your business, and chat with our team. With that being said, hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside.